Hi, I'm Jen, and this is my assistant Jewel, my other assistant Violet, and it's slime time! Today we are taking on the gallon challenge and making a boatload of slime. Jewel, will you please do the honors of pouring the glue in? This could take a minute. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so amazing.
This gets heavy after a while.
Oh, a gallon of glue heavy? Weird. Glurg, 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 glurg.
Go faster!
While Jewel is working on that, we are gonna mix up our borax solution. After doing a bunch of math, we have decided that 1.5 ounces for a half gallon is the appropriate measurement for borax. Most of you would be using 1 teaspoon for 1 cup of borax mixture with warm water. Now that my lovely assistants have added 1 gallon of Elmer's white glue to our lovely raft, we have refilled the container of glue with water to now add into the mix. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Let's get going there. I know. So now that we have thoroughly mixed the glue with the water, we are going to introduce the borax and warm water solution and see what happens. Ready, ladies? Keep stirring.
Ow! This is fun. That's fun.
It's time to start getting elbows deep.
Oh.
Yep, apparently.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, how am I supposed to get that now?
Grandma.
Now what do I do?
Little thing here? No. Look at this.
I don't know. This is like
Violet, is it this thing?
just a little bit.
Just
will do.
a little bit, Grandma.
Yeah, because we don't want to get this too rubbery. We want it to stay
Okay,
there.
that's good,
That's
Grandma.
good. That's good. It's like, I don't know.
Should we just put it on the
Our
floor?
board is rocky.
Then we put it on the
Oh, yes.
slime.
This is lovely.
Really beautiful slime. All right, we've been mixing slime for quite some time. It looks like we have slime accomplished. Now we're going to divide it up and add some fun, colorful glitter and paint. Now we've mixed all 6 colors of paint into our slime. Now we're about ready to start mixing in some sparkle. Start with the yellow, why not? This is gonna be so cool. Ooh, look at how pretty it is already. Oh yeah. Just dump it on top. Add some chunky slime. Here we have it. Our boatload of slime 1 gallon challenge is now complete. We have rainbow slimeage.
in here?
There you go.
Well, it certainly has stretch. Will it make it to the floor?